Okay, so listen, I've been watching some cooking shows, and one of the cooking shows they use butcher paper. I don't have butcher paper, so I googled like what is a good substitute for butcher paper. So it said parchment paper, but yeah, I almost started a fire. So parchment paper will catch on fire on the grill. So what I did is I put the parchment paper, wrapped the ribs in the parchment paper, and then I took and put foil over it. Let me show you. So this is what I did. So I put 4 ribs inside of parchment paper, wrapped it really good, and then wrapped it in foil. And there's my potatoes, and I have our grill down on low. So I'm just gonna keep that closed and let that cook down. And this is what our temperature currently is, and it is rising. It's definitely trial and error, but we're gonna try it and we're gonna see, because you can't mess up. Okay, so listen, remember when I was telling y'all about what I was gonna do with these ribs? Baby, these ribs are so juicy. Let me show you. Do you see all of the juice at the bottom, you guys? Let me tell you something. Okay, let me finish taking the ribs off out of here and putting them on the grill. And you are going to get a chance to see this. Look at all the juice. Look at that juice. Okay, so we're gonna get us some butcher paper. We are definitely getting us some butcher paper. But do you see how it held in all of that good juice? The ribs, I think, are perfect. Like, look at that. That's what they said. That's what you want. You want the ribs to be able to do that. But let me tell you, I'm about to char them really quick, and then that is it, okay? That is it. Hey there everyone, so we made it to the end of the video, and I want to say thank you so much for all your love and support that you continue to show through liking, commenting, and subscribing. Listen, if you did not know, you can head on over to Amazon today and go ahead and order your copy of the cookbook, and I appreciate your support. As always, continue to watch.